Hello student, in this video we are going to solve the worksheet 4 of unit 3 standard 6 mathematics, which is integer. So come to the worksheet 4. In worksheet 4 you have to solve the questions on the properties of integer. In question number 1, find the sum in two different ways. So you can write it in two different ways and simply find the answer, like minus 32 plus 50. It will give you the difference of both equal to 18, or you can solve it as 50 plus minus of 32 equals to 50 minus 32, and the answer will remain same, equal to 18. Similarly, you can solve all the questions given in question number 1. Now come to the question number 2. Write the additive inverse of the following. What is additive inverse? In the previous videos, I have told you about the additive inverse. Additive inverse means the number which makes the result 0 after adding in the given number. It means the number and the sum of its additive inverse equal to 0. Like in A31, additive inverse of 31 means 31 plus additive inverse of 31 gives 0. So our required answer is minus 31, means 31 plus minus of 31 gives us 0. So minus 31 is the required additive inverse of 31. Similarly, you can find the additive inverse of the given questions in B, C, D, E and F. Means sum of the number and its additive inverse must be equal to 0. Now come to question number 3. Find the sum using the properties of addition. The properties you have read in the previous video or in the book about the properties of addition of integers. So you have to use them to solve these questions. Now see question 3a. 200 plus minus of 105 plus minus of 36 equal to 200 plus minus 105. In first process, I have arranged 200 and 105 together. So it becomes 200 plus minus of 105 plus minus of 36 is equal to 200 minus 105 and plus 36, which sign is negative, is equal to 200 minus 105 equals to 95, and the remaining minus 36. 95 minus 36 is equal to 59. Now you can use the second method to solve this question, in which you can arrange 200 and minus 36 together and add minus 105 with them. Like 200 plus minus of 36 means 200 minus 36 and add the minus 105 with them. 200 minus 36 is equal to 164 and add minus 105 to 164. 164 minus 105 is equal to 59. So in the both process we have found that the answer is same. So you can use any of the method and you will find the same answer in both the process. Now I am going to show you the another method to solve this question. 200 plus minus 105 plus minus 36. In this process I have arranged both the negative terms together, and after solving them we will proceed to 200 to find the answer. Like minus of 105 plus minus of 136 means minus 105 minus 36. 200 plus minus of 105 minus 36 is equal to 200 plus minus 141, means minus 105 and 36 together gives minus 141 is equal to 200 minus 141. Again we have found that the answer is 59. In all the three process we have got the same answer, but this process, the third process, is nice to use in the senior classes. If you solve the given questions like this, then it will be very useful to solve the questions given in senior classes, and it will not create any confusion among the sign of the given numbers. Now come to next questions. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Means you have to fill the boxes with the properties you have read in the chapter and utilize them to solve these questions. Like 4a, the negative of minus 3 is. You have to answer that what is the negative of minus 3. Negative of any numbers means you multiply the minus with the given number, means minus of minus 3 equals to plus 3. So plus 3 is the required answer. Similarly in question B, minus 8 plus dash equal to minus 8. So the answer will be 0. Similarly, you can solve all these questions in question number 4 by the properties of integers. Now come to question number 5. In question number 5, you have to write true or false. After solving these questions, you have to answer that the given statement is true or false. Like question number A, 3 plus minus of 5 means 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, and we know that integer is the collection of positive and negative numbers. So in the question it is given that 3 plus minus 5 is not an integer, but we have found that the answer is minus 2, which is an integer. So the statement is false because minus 2 is also an integer. Similarly, you can solve all these questions with the help of property of integer, but don't try to solve these questions in sort method. Please solve this in detail and first find the answer and read the answer and understand the property of the answer. On the basis of your answer, write true or false in the given boxes. Similarly, we have solved all the questions of worksheet 4. So solve all these questions one by one and try to understand the properties of integers. Thank you.